here goes. Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the ultimate fried egg breakfast sandwich. So stick around and let's get started. Before we start cooking, let's break down what exactly makes it the ultimate breakfast sandwich. First, we're going to start with chive aioli. Follow that up with a arugula with lemon vinaigrette, thick cut bacon, really good bread, sharp white cheddar, and a fried egg. Let's make that aioli. We're going to add 1 egg. Half a clove of garlic. About a tablespoon Dijon mustard. 2 tablespoons lemon juice. We're going to pulse the immersion blender. And then to that, we're going to add 1 cup vegetable oil. Keep it at the bottom so that it can emulsify. And as it emulsifies, slowly pull it up and get that all blended in. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Taste it. Add more salt if you need to. I ended up adding a little more. Got to get all that good stuff out of there. Mix it in. To that, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of chopped chives or any herb of your choosing. Thyme, rosemary, your choice. Seal that up, set it aside. Okay, making the lemon vinaigrette, we're going to add 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, two teaspoons shallot, roughly chopped, about the same for the serrano chili, add a little spice, and then salt and pepper to taste. To that we'll add half a cup vegetable oil, and then we're going to pulse that, blend it up, make sure it's all nicely incorporated. Okay, now we're going to fry some bacon. So to a medium saucepan, we're going to add 2 pieces of bacon cut in half, set to medium high, and going to brown the first side, flip it. My heat's a little high on this. I ended up turning it down. Set that aside, and now we're going to cut up 2 pieces of bread, nice thick bread. Grab a handful of arugula, throw in your vinaigrette you just made, do a quick toss. And now, final step, we're going to fry the egg. Medium high, small pan. And I do something controversial. I season it while I'm cooking it. You don't have to do that. You can wait till the end. All right, let's flip it. Meanwhile, I toasted my 2 slices of bread, ready to go. All right, once the egg's done, Set it aside. Okay, let's put on our aioli on that warm bread. And we're going to add our bacon. On top of that, we're going to put our nicely fried egg. Add a slice of sharp cheddar. A bunch of that arugula salad we just made. And I like cutting it in half so I can see what I'm taking a bite out of. I mean, look at that. Doesn't that look good? All right, let's try this out. There it is. All right, here goes. The bacon and the mayonnaise, it always hits you, and the vinaigrette and the nuttiness of the arugula, and then the gravy from the egg yolk. Bon appetit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.